Hopefully you can see the little disturbance in the soil that I'm showing you, kind of snakes through, going up and going down. This is caused by a animal or a rodent called a mole. And I'm going to discuss what a mole is and what I'm going to do to combat this problem in the garden. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It is a very dreary and gloomy, wet Friday morning, the day after Thanksgiving, and we're out in the garden. I noticed what I showed you before, where it looks like I have mold problems outside of the area of the garden. I haven't seen any on the inside. For those of you that don't know what a mole is, I'll put a picture up to show you what it looks like, and I'll tell you what it can cause to your garden. Okay, moles are not poisonous to humans. However, they can be very detrimental to your lawn and landscaping, and they can carry diseases that affect humans. Moles burrow and create tunnels in your landscaping, and it is very noticeable. You will see the little snaking trails that they leave in your garden and in your landscape. Luckily for me, everything is in beds, and I don't expect to have any problems with them in the beds. But like I said, around the general area, you can see the moles where they're digging. And I've also noticed a couple places inside my greenhouse. Moles can carry diseases like rabies. They can also carry insect parasites like ticks that can transmit diseases to humans, such as Lyme disease. Now, what I'm going to do today to remove the mole, I'll show you. So, a company called X-Pest sent me this piece of equipment. It is a electronic rodent killer, and what you do is charge it, and I have to do that before I actually use it. But you charge it and you place it where you have the problem at. It can be on the inside or on the outside. I'm going to use this inside my greenhouse because, as I said before, I noticed I had some issues there. And all you do is to pull out the shell like this. The problem will run inside and to try to get the bait, and it will be electronically taken care of. In other words, the um, animal will receive a shock and humanely put it to sleep. And then you just come out and remove the problem and set it back up again. One charge can last, I want to say, about 30 days is what I saw. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into place, and hopefully this will take care of my issue. If you're interested in purchasing one, I have a discount code and a link for the company that I will be placing on the screen as well as in the comment section and description portion of the video. Disclaimer, I know some of you may feel that this is a little harsh, and you're entitled to your opinion. However, I'm not going to sit out traps or mouse traps or anything like that where my grandkids can run around and actually snap their fingers or something like that. Nor am I going to be having poisons around where, again, my granddaughters, they're toddlers, can accidentally ingest it and hurt themselves. So just putting that out there. So this is one of the areas where I saw the snaking of the ground by the moles. So I'm going to set the device here, and I'll come back and check it every so often to see if it has worked or caught anything. Now, I know living in a rural area comes with its challenges. You have to deal with the wildlife, and I'm not opposed to doing that. What I am opposed to is to pests such as moles and um, insects and stuff like that bothering my plants or becoming a nuisance. So I figure this will humanely take care of the problem, and hopefully it will. If you're interested, like I said before, I'll put the link back up and the discount code. And like I said, it will also be in the in the description portion of the video and the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little different from what I normally do, and quick and simple. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and stuff by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. Also, take a moment to consider becoming a member of my channel. 3 to 4 times a month, I will post member-only videos, comments, and perhaps have seed giveaways. If you're interested, sign up. Until next time, always remember to give God the thanks, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.